I'll show you how to convert a photo to PDF on your iPhone iOS 27. Simply open your settings, general, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 27. I'm already updated my iOS 27. So you just open photo apps and select any photo that you wanna convert to PDF. Press on to select. Like I'm select 3 images to make it PDF. Press on share option. Scroll down to save to file. Okay, and select a location. Like I'm select download location. Create new folder. New folder for PDF. Press on save. Okay, at first just move your image from photo gallery to file apps. Okay, and open my file apps. I am recently moved these 3 images. Press on 3 dot to select. Select all. Press on 3 dot and I'm get quick action. Press on and finally get create PDF. Okay, now successfully convert this image to PDF. Just press on to open. As you can see, this is a PDF file. Press on I option. As you can see, now it's PDF document. So that's how we can easily convert photo to PDF.